Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Design Dynamo, and today's video we are going to explore all the new features of Adobe Illustrator 2024. So let's get started. Learn all about the tools and techniques you can use to create amazing generative graphic vectors in Illustrator 2024. So let's get started with the tutorial. Before watching to start this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel Design Dynamo, hit that bell icon and select all options so you will be notified whenever I release a new video content. So let's get started. Number one, the new feature is text to vector graphics. So this new features in Illustrator 2024 uses generative AI to create a whole new vector graphic based on a text prompt or descriptions. So make sure you have the latest version of Illustrator installed in your PC or laptop. You can use version 28 or 28.5. This is the latest version. So enable the text to vector graphics panel, go to Windows, and here you'll select text to vector graphics, and this text to vector graphics panel is appear here if is not visible in the tool panel. So I'm going to create some vector graphics. So select rectangle tool and draw a rectangle. So here in the downside you'll see a new contextual task bar is appear. Generate vector graphics from a detailed text description. So let's check it out. And here you'll see choose a vector graphic type. There is 4 options. You can select subject, scene, icon and pattern. So let's check it out. The subject I selected, and write a prompt honeybee, and here generate vectors with reference style or without reference style. If you enable it, so it will any reference artwork. So at this time I'm not going to select this option, so make it off, and just click generate beta. And look at this, guys, just like a Photoshop, it will give you 3 variations. And here in the tool panel you'll see all new vectors of honeybee is created. Let's check it out. It is all vectors. And if you want to generate more, so here there is option generate more, so you can generate it more options. So, and here I selected the subject. Okay, so let's check it out. The other example, if I select the scene, so what generative AI created. So go to tool panel and draw a rectangle and generate beta, and here in this time I'm going to select scene and the same prompt, and without any asset, no assets, reference assets selected here, and simply hit generate beta. Now guys, look at this. In this time it will create a whole scene with background. So look at this, the 3 options, and all is vector, and you can edit it and use it in your work, in your task. So let's check it out, the other option. So here just going to select it, rectangle, and generate beta, and like I am going to select scene as well. I'm going to create some another artwork. So in the text to vector graphic panel I'm going to type a description to create misty morning mountains, and hit generate. Look at this, guys, it will give you 3 options, whatever the prompt you give to Illustrator and generative AI created. And let's create another thing, and in this time I'm going to create icon. So let's create icon of abstract minimal butterfly with gradient fill. Now guys, it's amazing, and look at this. Illustrator will give you 3 options, and it is very quick to use generative AI to create a vector graphics inside of Adobe Illustrator. So I'm going to use another prompt to show you. Let's generate another thing. Draw a rectangle, and I am going to select the subject, and I'm going to type a prompt: geometric leopard face. Now guys, look at this, 3 variations. Now guys, let's check it out, another example. So again, I'm going to draw a rectangle, and in the contextual task bar, click Generate Beta, and here I am going to write a prompt, simply butterfly. I want to create a vector butterfly, but I want to show you to use the reference style option. So I'm going to select it and enable it, and I want to choose the color themes of this image which I paste here. So choose color picker option. Let me show you here, and here you will see there is option picker. So I am going to select this, so it will pick the color, and hit Generate Beta. And now guys, look at this. Illustrator will use your description to create a unique vector graphics. So it will use the colors of your choose artwork, so which you selected. And here you will see it is little bit same, but not totally 100% same, but it's a good result. So let's check it out to create another artwork, another prompt. Here, Generate Beta, and this time, for example, I'm going to select flower, and this time we select scene, and the same assets picker artwork is selected, and hit Generate. And this time it's not a perfect match with the reference asset. So again, we just going to select the picker and select the picker again, and then hit Generate again. And this flower is much resemble with this, because the color theme it's look like the same. Look at this guys, not perfectly matched, but somewhat it's using the color theme. Now guys, let's check it out, the new update of Adobe Illustrator Beta 2024. So let's check it out, what is the new updates in generative AI text to vector graphics in Adobe Illustrator Beta. So here I am going to draw a rectangle, and go to object, and here you will find generate vectors, a whole new option. And if you will not find in the contextual task bar, so you just go to object, and here you will find generate vectors, and it is just like Photoshop. So but it is available in Adobe Illustrator Beta version. So simply write a prompt here. I write a prompt: futuristic city, and here it will give you lots of suggestions in the search option. So I'm going to select this one, and the content type is scene, and here the reference style I will show you. I'm going to choose assets, this image, and you can use this image as a reference asset. And here the same like a Photoshop, there is option, you can choose a style presets, you can add effects on your creations, you can change the color theme, but this time I'm going to use the reference style and how it's work. So hit generate, and look at this guys, this image is not perfectly matched, but it is a good result in Adobe Illustrator Beta. And let's check it out, the 3 variations. And it is amazing, and it is just like the reference image, the color themes. It is a good results in Adobe Illustrator Beta. So it is a good option, so you can create other thing with the help of generative vectors option. So I'm just going to create another, just draw a rectangle and select object, generate vectors, and this time I'm not going to use this assets, and simple write a prompt here. And let's check it out, the color theme and all that. Cool tone effects, and write at that prompt like dog in a car, countryside, beautiful island, and create a scene. And now guys, look at this, the 3 variations according to your color theme. And you can regenerate these options. And here you can generate another thing inside of this canvas. So I'm going to draw a rectangle, and this time generate birds, the same effects, and hit generate, but subject. Illustrator offers a new feature called Retype Beta that can help you identify fonts in images. So here's how to use it. So this picture, this is the JPEG file, and we are going to use the new feature Retype Beta. So select this and go to type, and here you will find this option Retype Beta, and select match fonts. Simply Retype will analyze the text in your image and suggest similar fonts. It can even work with outline text, so text that has been converted into vector paths. So just going to look at here guys, this font I want to match this font. So select this, it will show you the results. So this one is the perfect match. Hit exit, select this font, and now guys, here you select it, this font, and apply and exit. And look at this guys, just start typing Retype font, and it will convert it into font, analyze the text in your image, and suggest similar fonts, and you can type it. So let's check another example. This picture, we are going to follow the same instruction. Go to type and select match font, and I want to select this one, and it will give you lots of options. So I'm going to select this, hit exit, and just going to select this option, edit text, and apply, and then exit. And here it is guys, this text is editable, and now it will convert it into fonts. Look at this guys, you can use it, change the color, The next new feature in Adobe Illustrator 2024 is Mockup Beta. While Adobe Illustrator is a powerful design tool creating a truly realistic mockups in one click, so I'm going to select this image, logo image, and this box image, both, and go to Object. And here we'll find Mockup Beta and select Make. And you'll see this circle. Just click this and drag it here. And here you will see only one click you place this image and create a mockup. You can increase that logo size, these handles, you can rotate it, scale. It's up to you how you design this mockup, how to place this logo to show to your client. And right hand side you'll see it will give you some options, which is packaging design, and which is on digital device design, apparel design, and it will show you some mockups, your logo here, but it is available only on purchases. Adobe Illustrator has a cool new feature called Generative Recolor that lets you generate colors. So here I'm going to select this flower and go to Edit, and here Edit Colors and select Generative Recolor, and it will give you some sample prompts. So let's check it out. Select this. And now guys, you'll see it will give you 4 options, which is very good. And you can write simple text here, text prompt, and it will generate a new color palette for you. And let's check it out, the sample prompts available here. So I'm going to select this. The sample prompts is much easy to use, and it is good. Look at the variations, and you can type whatever you want, like I write a prompt, text prompt, tranquil, ocean, sunset, color theme. So hit generate, and look at this guys, very cool feature, and it's absolutely amazing. Let's write another prompt like lavender fields at dusk, and it's amazing. You can use the sample prompts and you can write the prompts here to regenerate, recolor your artwork. Now guys, let's check it out, another example of text to vector graphics. So we can create patterns with the help of text to vector graphics that uses generative AI to create patterns, so based on your prompts. So let's check it out how it works. So I'm going to draw a rectangle again, just small rectangle here to show you to create a pattern. So click Generate Beta, and here this time choose a vector graphic type. Here I'm going to select pattern and describe whatever the prompt you write, like I write fruits, vegetables. And here in the properties panel, text to vector graphics beta, here you'll select the presets available here. You can select the vibrant colors, pastel colors. So I'm going to select vibrant colors and hit generate. And now guys, a new pattern is created according to your prompt, and here you will see it will give you 3 options, and you can see here in the text to vector graphics panel as well, and you can increase the size of this pattern. Here you will see, and when you go to swatch panel, a new swatch is created. Here you'll see text to pattern, so you can use it further. Here you will see, and let's check it out another example. I am going to draw another pattern. Let's reduce the size of this pattern. Let's create a new pattern, and here I am going to write a prompt like repeating stars, neon lights. Now guys, you can create lots of patterns according to your text prompts. So describe specific objects or motifs you want to create. So here you'll see this new pattern is created, and here you will see this option, and I am going to create other pattern, but according to my theme, so we can change the color theme as well. So here I'm going to write rose flower, and here in the text to vector graphics panel, you'll select the specified the color. So I'm going to specify the color like red theme, and the background or something red and green. And hit generate, so it will generate the specific colors. Now guys, it's look beautiful. Let's check it out, this pattern. So I write prompt rose flower and describe the specific color, and it will give you 3 options according to your text prompt and the color description. And you can edit this pattern as well. So there is option of editing, so you can edit it like this. The new Contextual Task Bar in Adobe Illustrator 2024 is a handy tool that helps you quickly access relevant options based on what you are working on. So it appears as a floating bar that pop-ups near your selected object. So this example, I'm going to create flower. So I'm going to select this curvature pen tool, simply just going to create one petal here. And now guys, when we create this petal, downside you'll see in the contextual task bar there is lots of options. So we will find this repeat or object options. This is not a new option, but it is available in here in the menu bar as well, but you can directly access from here in the contextual task bar. So I'm going to select this radial option. And now guys, how quickly you can create flower by using this contextual task bar, and it is very easy to use. So that's it guys, I hope you find this video helpful. Make sure you subscribe my channel Design Dynamo. Thanks for watching.